What if the opportunity you've been looking for isn't something you have to sell at all? Think about that. Most people hear the words side hustles and immediately imagine sales, calls, chasing customers, or convincing friends and families to buy something. But what if there was another way? What if the opportunity you've been looking for isn't about selling products at all, but simply sharing information with people who are already looking for a better option? We live in a world where people recommend things every day. Restaurants, movies, apps, opportunities. The question is, why not positioning yourself where those recommendations can create value for you too? The biggest opportunities isn't always the most complicated. Sometimes they're the ones that fit into your life without forcing you to become a salesperson. If you've been searching for an extra income and an income stream, but you have been put off by the traditional selling, maybe it's time to start looking at opportunities differently. Because the right opportunity might not be something you have to sell. It might be simply be something worth sharing. Follow me for more ideas on building additional income streams in today's economy. Put a yes in my comments. I'll send you the detail.